Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can cut model in Prusa Slicer. Before we proceed, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you're on expert mode, because if you click on beginner mode, you won't have as much options as if you were on expert mode. Now to proceed, you then want to click on the model that you want to cut. In my case, it's going to be this specific shape. And then you want to press C on your keyboard, or you can just click on this logo right here, which is going to be the cut functionality. From here, we have the ability to position our cut. So if you want to cut like this, or maybe you want to cut in the middle, you can simply do so. You can customize this the way you want to. And from there, if you click on the perform cut, you will be able to cut your object. But if you want to proceed to turn it into multiple parts, you then want to make sure to click on the parts option. And of course, if you want to add connectors to both of your objects, you can then click on the add connectors. In my case, I'm just going to cut them into parts. So I'll click on the perform cut, and basically from there, it will now cut my object. Let's go ahead and try the other functionality, which is going to be the object cut. From here, I'm going to cut it this way. Click on the perform cut, and from there, it will then cut it into these objects. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.